How to edit Reddit comments on mobile. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So it was very easy. For that we will simply open Reddit app. If you guys don't have, you guys can download that app from Play Store or App Store. So simply click on Reddit app. Once we click on that, I already sign up, so you will simply sign up. Now here I will simply click on down right side profile. Once I click here you guys will wait for some seconds. Now here you guys can see post comments about. So in comment section it will show the comments that I did on posts. So for example, I did that comment, so I want to edit like the third one, so I'll simply click on that. Once I click here you guys will see my comment. Now you guys will see three dots, so simply click on that three dots with my comment. Once I click here you guys will see edit, so simply click on edit. Now here I can reedit my command, and once I read that, after that I will simply click on save. Like I just write something and I will simply click on save, and once I save, that's it, my comment will be edited. That's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.